parallel. This is select hybrid 4-box at slashed pricing. It flew because of the slash. We're keeping this on the screen. Our channel loves this stuff because of the golds, the blacks. I'm not guaranteeing the greens. The best odds of hitting a gold, black, or a green come out of this stuff. I'm not guaranteeing it. I don't see it in that box. We've seen crazy. If the random teams start moving, I'll put them on. They have to get into the teens. They have to get into the teens. And after this, we're refreshing our screen because we just basically killed 3. I don't see any golds, blacks, or greens. I do see an RPA. Do see an RPA. And I might see a gold and an RPA. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Good luck. We might see a gold and an RPA. Take the next. Take the next one. It's early. Good luck. Christopher. Disco Blake. Smart Disco. This is one of those, I don't know what this box means boxes. Disco of Ja. It's one of those, I don't know what this box means boxes. Jalen rookie. Jalen courtside. That's a sick card. Very nice. Nice Jalen courtside rookie. Need that to be silver. Zaire silver. Box 1. All right, guess the gold for 20. There's a gold at the end. Christopher Disco. Barnes. Levine. Backwards by accident. Kispert. Cam Thomas. Blue. That's the perfect time to hit that card. How about a blue of Jason Tatum? And blue is to 25. Blue is to 25. 17 to 25. Nice piece. Then we have red. Mobley. Red. Nice for the Magic of Jalen Suggs. All right, picking up steam. Red's to 49. BI silver. Kate. McBride Disco. DeJounte Disco. Grimes Springer Disco. We have Kispert Silver. Red of Duncan Robinson. Giannis Silver. All right, this box can get interesting. This box can get interesting, like really interesting. See how interesting it gets. Gobert. Bronze. Zaire. Thor Disco. Şengün. Bane Disco. All right. RPA. We'll take it. Zaire RPA for the Grizzlies. Fickle. And then go Cam Thomas Disco. No. It's a Franz gold. I was just saying how I've been hitting for Ed for years. Franz gold for the Magic. Wow. Nice piece. 9 of 10. Take the next one. We love this stuff. The least expensive product for golds, blacks, everything. They fly out of this stuff. Just take it all. Obviously, we'll beat the Suggs with the Franz. I think Ed for years. I knew it was coming. I like announced it. I'm like, I hit for Ed. We announced it. All right, refresh our screen.